Kevin Wells, Competition Director of Formula Drift. We're out here at Round 3 Orlando. It's about 86 degrees and a whole lot of humidity, and hopefully it stays beautiful like it is right now.
Popped out. My cross member completely broke.
Yeah. Oh, cross member broke.
No, the
Look. Yeah. See the ears. The ears on the right.
That's a puddle. Yeah. I don't know. It's the motor. No.
Really? It's fine.
A wrist pin.
Oh, that's easy to block, huh?
Yeah. Are we allowed to look at the car for the damage in the back? Yeah, if you got hit, right? Yeah, you can look at it. So that is our 5 year. No, you're on a free 5. You both got one for this, I believe. Oh, that's what I was asking. Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
So do we have an extra 5?
Here.
Huh?
Here.
It's a pump for sure. You can hear it.
I can't do a fucking 5.
Yeah. Hold on. Okay, stop it. Does this come out or no?
Hold it on the bottom. The little bracket's on the bottom. All right.
You got a pair of dikes? Can you just grab it with a pair of dikes right on the exposed part of the ball and pry from there and pull her out? Oh, there you go.
We got a non-ball in now.
I'll find something to get it off.
I pushed him on the bank.
Yeah. At least I got that.
I'm losing a parking space. That's what I'm mad about, guys. So I got pushed back to the back of the line. We got to make it up next round. Speak it into existence. All right, get out of here.
Thank you.
All right, thank you.
Real quick, I don't know where I'm at, but do you have a clue where Adam Elsey would be pitted? I'm in the ticket booth all day. If I get a picture with him, I'm happy.
That was an awesome chase run, man. Thank you. That was sick. That was fun. Yeah.
Seeing that's definitely causing these tire fires. So do we need to trim more of the bumper off and get less shit there?
I think it accumulates on the top side. I don't know where you hit it on yours, but
I mean, it definitely accumulates here.
button up whatever you got to button up, because the damage was only in the front, so they can see. So they're saying you're doing something else in the back.
Oh,
I know what
fire.
you're doing.
Oh.
Right. So yeah, just yeah. No, I saw what you were doing. But yeah, so close her up, finish your tape, whatever. Yeah. Hopefully they're gonna make it in the next 20 seconds. Yo, you gotta be running, driving away.
Second bottle I went through this weekend.
It's all right, we got more.
I'm gonna need another bottle too. I'm almost out.
No problem.
It's probably fine to drive off, right?
That surface is so abrasive on this side. I was weighing tires and stuff, and it's like they're losing 4 pounds of rubber per tire per lap. Power steering pump.
Pump it.
So power steering pump is pulling. They just swapped the whole thing out.
They're gonna have to use their other side. Hey! I will take it up on.